I came across a cover vocal of this song. So let's flip it into an Afro House remix. The a cappella sounds like this. It's cool, but we need to mix it, removing this resonating frequency. Then I add some compression, fresh air to open up the high end. Some more slap reverb, the normal reverb, and some delay to finish it off. So now we're gonna dive to the key element of the Afro House remix, the Afro House piano. For the Afro House sound, I'm gonna use this Labs piano. I think it's the best one out there, and it's for free, so it's a no-brainer. Something like this. The vocal is in C minor, so let's start off with the root notes. And make a normal chord with it.
In the night I hear him talk, coldest story ever told somewhere far below.
And then add some rhythm and a little variation. And repeat the first chord. And then finish with the same variation. And simply go down to the G sharp. So we're using a lot of 7th chords instead of the normal minor ones. How could you be so heartless? Then I want to go up. Heartless. How could you be so heartless? And finish on the A sharp minor. With a G, D, and G. Be so heartless. And again, just a little variation at the end. Be so heartless. Just like this. How could you be so heartless? This will be our chords. Now we need to mix the piano. First, some distortion. To warm up the sound a little bit. Compression. It's a bit resonating right here. So remove it. Make it a bit more stereo. Bit of reverb. And delay. Now we're gonna dive in the drums. We're gonna use the motion pack for it. I will link it down below as well if you want to check it out. So first pick a kick. Something like this. Then we're gonna stack it with perk loops from the pack to create a typical Afro House vibe. We got loads of them in the pack. Fit them to the tempo. Something like this. Of course, got rid of the low end. And make them a little bit more stereo. Then just drop in another one. So this will be our percussive foundation. Sounds already really dope. Now we need some top end to the loops. So add in a shaker loop. Yeah, that's perfect. So then to give it some more spice, add this impact to it. And let's just cut it up. Yeah, the rhythm is dope, but it needs some mixing. Of course, remove the low end. And open up the high end. Give it a fade out with a reverb. And delay. And of course a sidechain as well. So altogether our Afro drums sound like this. In the night I hear him talk, coldest story ever told somewhere far below me. We got a vocal, piano and drums ready. So now we're gonna dive in the bass. I got a Serum loaded up. So let's pick a preset from the motion pack. Perfect one for Afro House. Let's use this plucky bass. And start off on a root note. With a simple rhythm. Just following the piano MIDI. So we're going from the C to the G sharp to the A sharp. Just simple as that. Sounding like this. Then just compress it. make the low end mono, and some R bass to add some sub frequencies to it. So together with the kick, it sounds like this. We got all the main elements ready, so now we're gonna dive into the leads. Again, a new Serum Preset from the Motion Pack. Let's use this typical Afro sound and make that typical Afro MIDI. Yeah, it works all the time. So duplicate it. Sounds amazing with a percussion. Then just mix it. Remove the low end. Some delay. Reverb. And a big sidechain. Something like this. Then just duplicate it. And pick another lead sound. Make it really short and plucky. And place it right here. And layer it with the lead sounds. Really dope. It gives some more emphasis on the notes. Besides that, we're gonna use this one in the whole track. Because together with the piano and vocal, it really fills it up. Adding some more rhythm to it as well. So that's it for the lead sounds. Now I quickly gonna spice it up with some more ambiences and effects to really finish off the track. To finish it off, I stacked some ambiences from the pack and some more other effects as well. Starting off with this downlifter, uplifter, and it's really dope piano ambience. Combined with this vocal ambience. Then I also added a string chord in the background. And then some ambient percussion in the back end of the mix. And then to finish it off, I added some automations on the plug, opening of the mod wheel, and combining it with a filter to create some more movement in the breakdown. So those are all the elements used in this Afro House remix. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well. If you want to stream it, it's linked down below as well. Make sure to check out the pack. And if you like the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
In the night I hear him talk, coldest story ever told. Somewhere far along this road he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. Yeah, yeah, how could you be so heartless? How could you be so heartless?